Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be planning in my A5 compact vertical for the week of March 20th through the 26th. And I'm going to be using this sticker kit from my sticker shop, which is called Sage Sticker Company. The link is right here and in the description. It's printable stickers, so you would get this file, this PNG file, and you would take it into Cricut and print it out, or you can just print it out regular and just cut around these two, because there's a lot of just straight lines that you really don't need to have a cutting machine to use these stickers. It's helpful and they're made for that way, but you don't have to. There is instructions that if you decide to cut it, you should still make it to the size that Cricut specifies, which is 6.75 by 9.25. Printing at that size will make it fit how I designed it in here. So let's grab that week here. Right here. I think this time I'm going to put the numbers on first. So we got the 20th for Monday, and so on. I really like this kit. The colors are really vibrant and the plants are fun. I tried to keep everything for the month of March to have some greens in it. So this one goes right along with that theme. And it has some bright mustard yellow and some kind of turquoise. Just a fun colored kit. And that's right, the 20th is the first day of spring too. Cool. All right, so let's stick this up here. I just kind of center it in the top and line the bottom up with the bottom of whatever color is there. This one happens to be purple. And I think I missed it just a little bit over on the side. Let's just adjust it a little bit. There we go. Cute, 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 cute. All right, and then let's get this side. And then I use these ones down on the bottom for the dividers, the top and the bottom. And again, just lining it up with that existing bottom design there. Not too difficult. It goes a little bit longer than they do, so I just gotta move it over just a little bit. Okay. And then we could put the days of the week in here. Look at this. Those I line up with that first line that's there. Kind of put it in the middle. It all depends on where you, how high you put the, what is this called? The header. Now we are covering up Spring Begins, and I will be putting that in a box, but we will also cover that with some sort of sticker, extra sticker that's in here. But there's one, a little one over here too. So maybe I'm going to move this one a little bit further over this time to try and cover that up all the way down there. I got that a little crooked too. Maybe we can fix it. Okay, so then we'll just put a bigger sticker. Let's see which one we want to choose here. Yes. I just don't know. What's something that's different green, maybe? Maybe this one. Kind of just stick this in between here. And you won't even know that that's hiding. But now we're going to have that same issue down here too for Wednesday. So I don't know if we try and move it over a little bit better. Nope, it's still not going to cover it. That little bit there. Could use whiteout, but that probably would work better, huh? Maybe I'll do that. We'll grab whiteout this time so that, well, let's wait, because we may have extra stickers, because we'll see. Just hold on. And then I have this boxed oops, almost tore that one a little bit. I did tear that one a little bit. To put right here. I think maybe I'll put it all the way up here this week. Be a little bit different. Crooked. All right. And I tore that little bit of that corner, so it's gonna need a little bit of glue right there, maybe. Yeah, this was my mistake. This isn't the sticker's fault. A little too overzealous tearing it off. There we go. So we'll put a little bit of glue right there and stick that down. Okay. And then we want to decorate with some of these. Kind of want to just put them down here at the bottom. I do have extras, so I can use one over there. Two fits the best, so maybe I can kind of stick this one here. Turn it a little bit. And then maybe put one up here to balance it, and then another one on that page. I'll put this one right actually there because I used the bottom for my stats. How about on the first day of spring, we could use a big box. Oh, except that's going to be right next to the other one, isn't it? There, got stickers on my fingers. Maybe we can just stick this. This box did not cut right for me. I don't like that, how it's wide on that, more on this side, kind of weird. I'll put that there. And then maybe put this little guy right inside. Right in there. And then important goes over here by, I put my bills over here. Okay, so let's finish decorating this. We got the box in there, but I didn't put my lines yet. I think I'm going to try them a little different. Maybe we'll just go like halfway this week. It's like that. I want the definition, but I also don't know. Yeah, I can do that. Could highlight it too, but we'll see. All right, so what was this? This was spring, the first day of spring over here. I should have wrote on the sticker first. So, oh, and I spelt it wrong. Oh no. We're gonna have to stick a little P in here. I might have looked a little off. I guess we're gonna be coloring these all in black. I was gonna use color, but to get that P in there somehow. Oh well, sometimes you make boo-boos. And you just have to go with it. Filming too many videos in one day to try and catch up. First day of spring. Oh well. All right, so we got some bills here to pay, which I list them over here. 21st, 22nd, and this one's not due till the 28th. All right, so 21st is here. So we better pay the bill here. So let's use one of these bright yellow ones. And I have like a bluish kind of, yep. So let's put stamp for that one and stamp for that one. Like that. And then we are just gonna write, oh, I gotta do my lines for my stats. What kind of color do we want for that? I wonder if you can draw lines with, no, yellow would probably be good, but I don't have a yellow highlighter in here, do I? Let me think. I kind of like that blue kind of color. A little bit brighter though, but that's okay. And there I just put my steps and my sleep And then in between, I just put a little heart because I put my resting heart rate for the day. Gotta keep up with that blood pressure medicine, you know. Joys of getting older. That doesn't look like a heart, does it? Not really. All right, so we have those. That other bill, should we put that one on Friday, I guess? Recycles that day. Let's put that in there. I don't think I've been putting in my other stuff, like changing bedding, my Wednesday. And then we got floors on Saturday. I didn't need to use a big one for that, did I? Not really. Okay. I really think that's it. Yeah. Pretty sure that is it for this week so far. Plans for this week, they aren't crazy. Be a nice calm week for the first week of spur. Anyway, I like this kit. I'm not so sure of this yellow. I probably should have used a different kind of color. This, like, what if I go over this? Tones it down a little bit, maybe? More of a mustard yellow, not this bright yellow. Kind of works. Kind of works. All right, so there you go. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.